Prodrive Technologies offers a diverse range of linear motors and actuators, comprising both off-the-shelf options and tailored solutions. These motors are the go-to choice for high-demanding applications, where top-tier speed and precision are required. This video takes you behind the scenes to our in-house manufacturing department where these motors are produced. Our journey begins with the milling of steel back irons, designed to house the magnets. Every part undergoes thorough quality checks via a coordinate measurement machine, ensuring that every dimension is within its set tolerances. The next step takes place at one of our fully automated assembly lines, where magnets find their place on the back irons. Before bonding, a plasma cleaning procedure takes place to guarantee a proper glue bond. Our automated system then dispenses glue with utmost accuracy. After magnetizing, the magnets are delicately positioned within their designated pockets on the back irons. Each magnet's placement is meticulously measured to ensure perfect alignment. After the magnet plates are individually cured, they unite into a magnet yoke using our specially designed assembly machine. This machine not only counteracts the substantial magnetic forces pulling the plates together, but also ensures their precise alignment. For coil units, the process begins with the winding of copper coils. For motors that demand the highest performance, we employ flat wire technology to maximize copper fill. Once winded, we analyze the coils to confirm they meet their tolerances. The individual coils then combine and interconnect, forming a coil unit. This assembly is placed into a potting mold. Here, epoxy material is dispensed into a vacuum environment. Once cured, the coil unit is taken out of the mold, ready for the final manufacturing step. This involves a rigorous evaluation of electrical properties, insulation strength, and mechanical dimensions, ensuring the utmost quality and performance. After that, they are being cleaned, packed, and ready to be shipped out to the customer. Prodrive Technologies' linear motors are manufactured in a process that demands precision, cleanliness, and innovation at every step. These motors are the essence of high-speed, high-precision applications, delivering unmatched reliability and performance.